Anxiety can feel like an endless loop of worry, doubt, and fear. But here's the truth. Avoiding what scares us often fuels the anxiety further. The real shift begins when we face those fears head-on, one step at a time. Today, let's explore how to overcome anxiety by confronting fears in a healthy, empowering way. Step 1. Understand fear for what it really is. Fear is your brain's alarm system. It isn't always accurate. Sometimes it screams danger even when you're safe. Naming the fear, writing it down, and saying, "This is my brain trying to protect me," can reduce its power instantly. Step 2. Identify triggers clearly. Anxiety thrives in the unknown. Instead of running from the discomfort, ask, what situations or thoughts make my anxiety spike? Is it social gatherings, deadlines, or health worries? Once identified, these triggers become specific targets you can work through, not vague threats. Step 3. Exposure in small steps. Facing fears doesn't mean jumping into the deep end. It means gradual exposure. Afraid of public speaking? Start by practicing in front of a mirror, then a friend, then a small group. Each step rewires the brain to realize that the feared outcome rarely happens. Step 4. Pair fear with calm responses. When anxiety strikes, your body reacts, racing heart, tense muscles, shallow breath. Counter it in the moment with calm anchors, deep breathing, grounding exercises, or repeating a mantra like, "I am safe right now." Over time, your brain links fear with calm instead of panic. Step 5. Seek support and perspective. You don't have to battle fears alone. Sharing with a therapist, coach, or even a trusted friend reduces the isolation. Sometimes just hearing, "I understand," or "I've been there too," breaks the fear's hold. Professional guidance can also accelerate the process through proven methods like CBT. Step 6. Celebrate every win, no matter how small. Anxiety often makes us focus on what went wrong. Flip that script. Acknowledge the courage it takes to face even the smallest fear. Progress is built on small victories, and each win builds resilience for the next challenge. Anxiety is not a life sentence. By confronting fears in manageable steps, you retrain your brain, reclaim your confidence, and expand your world instead of shrinking it. At SDKare, we understand that anxiety isn't just a phase, it's a lived reality. Our licensed providers meet you where you are, offering personalized care plans that include therapy, medication when needed, and everyday strategies to help you move forward, all from the comfort of your home. Fear may knock at the door, but you don't have to let it run your life. Take the first step. Visit SDKare.com and find the support you deserve. SDKare, simple, dedicated care for your peace of mind.